We use a lot of lost wax casting to make copies of our original designs. In order to cast the jewelry, we build what's called a casting tree using the individual wax copies, and we can attach them using a hot wax pen to a central core of wax so that we build a structure that looks a lot like a tree. And what we do with the lost wax casting process is make an incredibly detailed copy of the original handmade piece. We pour investment around the wax model, let it harden, put it in what we call a burnout kiln. The burnout kiln takes the entire mold up through stages of temperature until it reaches 1300 degrees. This takes about 6 hours, and during that 6-hour period the wax is melted and then eventually vaporized, leaving a cavity in the mold that is an exact copy of the wax that was in there. This is the mold for the gold or silver we're going to pour in to make the copy of the original piece. Hence the name lost wax. The process has been around for thousands of years. We do it with a lot of new technology involving computerized burnout kilns, vacuum casting machines, but essentially it's the same process that the Egyptians used. Once the piece is cast in the mold, we put the mold to one side. It's usually cast at around 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, and let the metal cool till it solidifies. And once the metal has cooled to solid state and the mold is still quite hot, we take the whole thing and plunge it into a bucket of cold water, and the thermal shock shatters the investment and leaves the raw casting exposed. And that's the piece we use to make our jewelry from.